Hello everyone. So this is a vlog on a day trip that we had done from our apartment in Sarjapur Road to two lakes near Bangalore. These two lakes are Bhaira Sagara Lakes Lake and Batata Hosarli Lake. They are located at a distance of around 116 kilometers from our place of stay. I'm expecting this drive to be a very wonderful drive with a mix of highway driving and state highway driving. The icing on the cake could be the winding roads which we are supposed to get near the location, which should be great fun to drive. So please stay tuned for further updates, which I'll provide you once I reach near the highway. Thank you. So this is KR-Puram, and you can see the hanging bridge on the right side. It's visible to you, and that's the metro station that's going to come up. So this will connect towards Whitefield. It is time for lunch, and we decided to stop at McDonald's, which is near the first toll gate towards the international airport. We plan to have a very fast lunch and be on our way to the site, so please stay tuned for further updates. Thank you. So it looks like the skies have opened up, and we can expect some heavy showers on our way to the lakes. It's going to be an even more interesting experience now because of all the various road conditions and the which we will get in this drive. But but one thing I'd like to add for a monsoon drive is that it's a greenery all around, which gets amplified even more, and that makes for a very good, very good soothing to the eyes, and it's a very good nice feeling that we get while driving on the range. So I'll just stop here and let you enjoy the drive, and I'll give you further updates once I have some more. Thank you. So it's turned into a very nice drive. As you can see, the roads are smooth as silk. It's well maintained and there's not too much traffic around. The road is also very well marked, which makes the driving experience less stressful. So overall it's been a very good drive till now, and I'm hoping that you guys all of you are also having a great time watching our video. I do hope to bring you more such videos in future. So stay tuned into my channel. So it looks like we have hit a bad patch of road. Again, it's not very bad, and nothing that a sedan cannot handle. It's just that it has some potholes, as you can see. So one needs to be careful while driving on this kind of road so that you don't hit a pothole at a high speed and end up having a puncture. So just better to be safe than sorry. So that's what I'm trying to do here: trying to drive safely, and this is what everyone should be doing once you hit this kind of roads. Yeah, thank you. So we've reached the first spot in today's day trip. It is Bhairasagara Lake, and it is a very nice. It seems to be a very big lake and quite beautiful all around. The scenery is really amazing. So the low-lying clouds on today's monsoon day is also looking very good. So I'll just let you get back to the videos and enjoy the entire atmosphere. Thank you. So we are now starting towards the next point, which is Batata Hosarli Lake. It's supposed to be around 11 kilometers from this particular point, and I've been informed that the roads are going to be very scenic. I'm hoping that that's true, and it will be good for all of us. So yeah, so let's carry on. I'll give you further updates on the way. Thank you. So guys, this part has to be the most scenic part of today's drive. All I see is low-lying hills, winding roads. It's like picture perfect. This is a wonderful road and wonderfully maintained roads. So I'm sure all of you will plan to come to this part of Chikbalapur once you see this video. And the drive has become very pleasant because of this kind of scenery which we are seeing all around. A video cannot do justice to what we are seeing now, but still I just hope that it's getting captured accordingly, and you guys are enjoying this video. Thank you. cutting corner and yeah, too good. So guys, we have reached the final destination of the day, which is Batata Hosa Ali Lake. It has turned out to be a very beautiful and very scenic place to visit. I can imagine that a group of friends or a group of group of friends coming here for a picnic, or a family coming here for a picnic and having a wonderful time with all close ones. So again, I'd like to say that this is a very nice spot, and I'd encourage all of you to visit this if you haven't done so till now. I have been to several lakes all over, quite a few places all over India, and this has to be in my top 10 list, is what I'd like to say. Finally, if you like to see this kind of content, do please